Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Friday Night Gab, and I am not live tonight. This is a pre-recorded video. So I am off today because I had to go to the doctor, and I just get, I have white coat syndrome. If you all have never heard of that before, I get nervous about going to the doctor. I've known my doctor, I don't know how long. A long time. I've known my doctor more than 15 years, but less than 20 years, so somewhere in there. And I love her, and I don't know why I get upset. It's not really that I get upset. I get anxious, I guess, and my blood pressure goes up. So when they first take my blood pressure, it's sometimes a little high, but if they take it at the end of the appointment, then I'm fine. So, you know, it's not always high, but sometimes. You think, because I've been going there so long, she has moved around. She's in the place she's in now. She's been in maybe about a year now. I've been there maybe 2 or 3 times. Maybe it's been more than a year, maybe a couple years. And it's very quiet and peaceful there. So I don't know why. I don't know why, but it happens. Does it happen to you? Y'all ever heard that before? Anyway, I was going to ask y'all, how was your week? I have been exhausted this week. I don't really know. I can't tell you exactly why. I've been exhausted. I don't sleep well normally, but I've been doing okay so far. I do sleep, so that's good. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't sleep for like 8 hours like most people do. I sleep for 2 hours and then I get up in 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, anywhere from 2 to 4 hours, and then I wake up. And then I go back to bed and sleep for whatever is left, 2 or 3 hours. So maybe. And sometimes I get up twice in the middle of the night. And it's because I'm getting old and I have to go to the restroom. So TMI. I do have to work tomorrow. Here comes Blue. He keeps showing his bottom, y'all. This is his thing. This is his thing. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. So anyway, I'm just tired. I'm just wore out. Anyway, and the weather, how is your weather? Is it tending toward autumn yet? Maybe a little bit here. We had, about a week ago or so, we had 5 or so days that were less humid and in the mid to 80s to 90. And that's happening again now. We did go back to the high humidity and higher heat, where we had heat advisories for, again, like 4 or 5 days. And now we're back to that lesser humidity, and beautiful. It's been beautiful, windy, pretty, beautiful. So anyway, so how's your weather? Blue, you're so cute. I was going to show you all my nails and I forgot to bring them over. So I carry my nails with me wherever I go. I got this cute little bag from FabFitFun a few years ago for $3. Some people got it in their box, and then they had it on sale for $3. These are what I have on, and of course it's open so you can't really see. They're called Pretty Glitz, and I bought them because they were on sale. Maybe I paid $5 for this because, like everything else, nails have gone up. So these are pointed. You can see that. Sorry, I have some stuff on my hand. See how they're very pointed, and I can't do that. I can't do that pointed. So this is what I did. It's like a thumb. I put them on, and then I took a clipper and clipped them off and then filed them to smooth it. And that's what I did. So here is the other thumb. Whoops, not doing that very well. So yeah, so because I can't handle that point. It gets caught on everything. So this set, I did show it to you when I bought it, but this set has these cute little sort of tie-dyed looking ones. And then see that lilac is, I use those on the 3, and then the accent nails on the other, these two. These are just like an opaque clear with glitter going on there. So I just thought they were cute. And I have to work tomorrow, so I put these on last Sunday. I think it was Sunday or Saturday. And they've done really well. And I don't care if they fall off tomorrow at work, because they do sometimes fall off at work. So, you know, the medium ones are a little long. So I could even tonight, if I wanted to, trim these down a little bit or file them down a little bit. So that, because it's any length, it gets in the way sometimes there. So anyway, I didn't expect to spend too much time on that. Sorry that I did. Okay, so I had a hidden treasure giveaway last week. I had an Amazon haul, and I bought, I showed mostly sheet masks and eye masks and things like that, and I have 2 winners from that video. So y'all, we're supposed to say the word ice, and I did have to pick a few times because not everybody said the word ice, because that was, you have to watch the whole video to see these hidden treasures. So my 2 winners, the first one is Rita, and Rita is Lacy Mermaid. That's the name of her channel. She has a channel that she's been having some health issues, so she is just getting started with her channel. She has posted a couple things here and there, but she said she was going to get started on that soon. So, you know, I'll tell you about that. And the second winner is Laura Story. And now Rita has been around for a little while, not sure how long. And Laura's been around for a long time, so she's a long time subscriber. Here comes Smudge. You're gonna come over and say, hey, you know, they wanna see you, Smudge. Come on, come on. So they are the winners, and here comes Smudge. Oh, y'all. Bottoms, bottoms, bottoms. It's our favorite thing to show. And my treasure trove giveaway is always going on, and you know, you have to watch a video to see if there's a hidden treasure in it. That's the point. It's hidden treasure, because then if you watch the video and you see the giveaway, then you can put in to win. So it just encourages you to watch my videos. I hope. So I don't have all that much in September. I have a couple of collabs gonna be happening in September, which should be a lot of fun. You know, collabs where there's giveaways, which will be a lot of fun, I think. They're, you know, y'all seem to really like those. I mean, who doesn't like giveaways, you know? So look for those. Those are coming soon. And what else I got going on? I wrote me some notes, but my Mask Monday. Not as many people watched Mask Monday as usual, so I do apologize if it offended you. I hope it didn't. I didn't try to offend anybody. I just wanted y'all to know, because so many people don't understand about YouTube and the way that it's not so much that the way they pay us, it's so much to tell you that people don't know what the thanks button is for. That is below every video if you're a monetized channel. And then also, if you go live, you can give super thanks. And then what I told you about in that video is that, you know, YouTube takes a lot of that money. So there's other ways that you can gift creators that you enjoy if you want to. Now, no one's forcing you. No one's forcing you. You can do that. Now, there are some channels that have memberships. And I could have done that from the beginning when I got monetized, but I haven't done it, and because it takes, it takes some work to figure it out. And then you can charge people to be a member. You don't have to ever do that. You can still watch videos. Anybody's channel, I believe you can still watch, but if they have memberships, they may do something special for the people that are members. And I think it's like $1.99 is a month is the lowest, but you can charge more than that. It depends on the channel, what they want to do. So anyway, if you have any questions about all that, you know, I may do that someday, but again, you won't have to worry about it. I'll explain it all to you if I do it, and y'all can still watch my videos. You don't have to do anything like that. That's why, you know, it's just, I just don't have time for that. But, you know, anyway, so if you want to know more about it, I'll put my Mask Monday in the description here. You can watch that and learn a little bit about that if you want to. And I did not, you know, I never intend to step on anybody's toes. I love to see you all here, and I enjoy your company, and I'm glad you're here. And I just, you know, just love to talk to y'all. So, goodness sakes, Blue has the fur, youch, Blue, youch. Anyway, y'all, I hope you have a great weekend. I'll be working, like I said, and then I'll try to be relaxing some. So, y'all take care, count your blessings, and tell me what you're going to be up to this weekend. Tell me what you've done this week, if it was a good week or whatever. I always have a good week, so I'm happy about that. I just, you know, positive mental attitude, and that really helps me through each day. And y'all are my blessings. I count you as my blessings. So y'all count your blessings and take care and have a wonderful weekend. Be careful and be blessed. Bye-bye.